maximum people are asking me after seeing the video of YouTube from my channel. They are asking for how can you manage lots of console account on your single devices. You can see that, and you can also see that another one, lots of console account I am managing. I am explaining you the details how can I manage those console account from the one device. It is terminated issues or not, and if any account will be terminated, then how can I solve it. Actually, I am not owner of those account. Google not recommend to use multiple account of a single person, but they allow another person to develop app and collaborate on one single console account. I want to talk about that. Some peoples are reached me to solve their problem of console account. Some app is rejected, some app is removed, some app is suspended. So they reached out to me. I solved their problem. For solving their issues, they added me as a admin on console account or a user. On console account, you will find the user and permission section. From that, you can invite any users by using Gmail, and they can access the console account from their devices. It is not difficult. So this is the, and I am managing and maintaining lots of console account from different companies. Actually, that's it.